Hey stock and options traders, welcome back to the channel where your success is my top priority. If you don't already know, my name is Karl Domm and I'm the only instructor on YouTube that has shared my P&L with a daily balance since September of 2019, which includes every market environment, a bull, sideways, grind down, and crash market. No one else has shown their real P&L in all market environments. In this video, I'll be taking you on a journey through my trading accounts, showcasing my actual real P&L or net liquidation for the month of September 2023. For 29 years, I've been mastering the art of online stock and options trading, and now I want to share my expertise with you. If you're here to learn and want to determine the worth of a stock or options course, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. My goal is to revolutionize this industry and bring transparency to the forefront. I believe that if an instructor makes promises when selling a course, they should prove their credibility by sharing their account P&L. And so far, I believe I've influenced maybe one or two others to share their real P&L. Not only that, but share the volatility of their account's P&L. It's important to understand how much the account value fluctuates, which means how much did the account value move up or down. If your account made 20% return, but it was down 60% at one point, then the 20% return is not a good return on risk. Sharing the P&L volatility is important because the real truth lies in risk-adjusted returns. And that's why I share my P&L and my daily moves of my accounts so you can see the real results for yourself. Now, I would not buy a course from someone that doesn't share their real P&L, and I hope you feel the same. And that's why I'm proud to say that in this video, I'll be taking you through my real P&L for the month of September 2023. So let's get started. Are you ready for some real trading results? I've got 4 separate trading accounts running 4 separate systems, and I'm eager to share the results with you. Before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what the market did in September 2023, and this will give us a better understanding of the challenges my system faced over the last month. As a premium selling options trader, I do categorize market moves into 4 categories of number 1, a rising bull, number 2, sideways, number 3, grind down, and number 4, a crash market. So let's get into it. Looking at the market for the month of September 2023. Let's see, we started right about here. So we ended here at the end of, ended right here at the end of last month. And we came down. Looks like we're down about 4.88%. Kind of went sideways for a little bit, sideways a little down. And then the last week or so, couple weeks, just came down pretty good. So 4.88%, we're down about 5% this month. Didn't really realize it was that much until I just looked at this chart right here. This month, the S&P 500 is down 4.88%, and it's had its largest monthly down move this year. The market still has not recovered from the highs of the end of 2021. And this month was a grind down market. And grind down markets are challenging for a couple types of traders: legacy wheel traders and typically level 4 options traders. It's a challenge. Let's look at the VIX. What did the VIX do? What did the volatility do? So we started about right here. Wow, bottom of it. Okay, so volatility, ended the last month about right there at 13.55, very minimal. Got all the way spiked as high as 1973, so didn't break the 20 mark. And looks like we ended about 17.5. But the VIX, the volatility did rise over this month. And typically if you're selling option premium and the things that you sell increase in price, in other words, options increased in price because of the volatility, a lot of premium sellers probably got hurt. They probably did not get shaken out of their positions. It wasn't that bad, but they're probably not up this month. And then, of course, in the equity market, people that are long the market, they're down close to 5%. So there you have it for September 2023. The truth is the market's direction is unpredictable. It can go up, it can go down, or it can go sideways. And that's why it's always a good idea to have a non-directional system in your portfolio so you can eventually be profitable no matter which way the market moves. Welcome to the world of level 5 trading, where the rules are set in stone and the profitability is proven. My proprietary trading systems are designed to make money no matter what the market environment, and they are the only ones of their kind. With a focus on level 5 trading, you can bypass all the lower levels 1 through 4 and go straight to the top level without having to spend years learning and mastering and wasting your time with lower level systems. But don't just take my word for it. I've taken well over 30 online stock and options trading courses from YouTube instructors, and not one of them offered level 5 trading systems. In fact, I've yet to see proof that a level 1 through 4 systems are consistently profitable in all 4 market environments. So if you're looking for the real deal, you've come to the right place. And if you come across any other instructors who share their P&L, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for instructors with real results and real portfolio P&L being shown, and I'm not talking about spreadsheets. So if you're ready to see my real P&L for September 2023, let's go ahead and dive in here. So next I'm going to get into my 4 separate trading accounts. The trading systems are number 1, the Safe Wheel, number 2, the Earnings Edge, number 3, the Premier Level 5, and number 4, the Synthetic Dragon. So first I'll get into the Safe Wheel strategy. This is a strategy I actually give away for free every Monday morning, 7:15 a.m. Pacific time. And I do a live stream and trade the account live right in front of you. I also answer any and all questions about the system in order to help people so they can learn it. And the easiest way to find my live stream is to subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell. And here are the results for the Safe Wheel for September 2023. Looking at the Safe Wheel for September 2023, you can see the balance 65.79. What happened during the month? You can see we basically just went up. Not a lot of volatility. Kind of had a peak over there, come down. We're at 65.79. Let's do a little bit of math there. It's a nice equity curve for this month for sure. So we ended with 65.79, and we started last month 63.75. So we made $204. Let's divide that by 63.75. And we're up about 3.2% for the month of September for the Safe Wheel. Second, I trade my Earnings Edge system. This system is based on trading certain stocks coming into earnings. The goal is to turn a small account into a large account. This system has some volatility. So I would start small with like a $5,000 account. And what I like about this trade is that it's long gamma, which creates asymmetry. And asymmetry in this case is kind of like hoping for a large move in the stock, either up or down. And the more it moves, the more profitable the trade becomes. In September with the Earnings Edge, I traded 2 stocks, ADBE and Costco, COST. Now ADBE was a minus $410 and Costco was plus $58, basically a break even. Now I started the account with $5,000 and I look to make 1 trade per week when earnings trades are available. My goal is to make large profits with smaller risk. And since my upgrade in October 2022, the results are a record of 14 wins, 13 losses, 6 break evens. So that's a win rate of around 50% with an average loss of $477 and an average win of $945. So since the inception of the system, I've been showing the results every week. I've been doing that since January of 2022. My returns are approximately 86%, and this includes paying all commissions. So after commissions, it's 86%. Now, I recently lowered the price of the alert service to only $149 a month, and I've also recently launched the Earnings Edge course, so you could learn to trade this on your own. Currently, the cart's closed to buy the course, but you can get on a waiting list, and there's a link below. So let's dive into the real P&L for September for 2023 for the Earnings Edge. Looking at the Earnings Edge for September 2023, you can see we started with 9,690. Had a drawdown there. Looks like we took a loss on one of the trades. We put on another trade. We were up for a little bit, and we kind of broke even on it, or made it just slightly, a little bit of money. Ended with $9,300. Not a lot of volatility for this particular account. this account is much more volatile normally. Let's do a little bit of math here. Started with 96.90, ended with 9,300. So it lost 390 minus 390 divided by 96.90. So down about 4%. So down about 4% on the earnings edge for the month of September 2023. Next, I want to make you aware of my top training program, the 5-step system. This is the ultimate way to learn how to trade a level 5 system. Understanding this tool will help you make consistent profits in any market environment in the future with other systems. Now, I've made a huge effort to make this program accessible and affordable. So I've significantly lowered the price to just $297. Don't miss this limited opportunity to take your trading skills to the next level. This is a game changer, and I don't know how long I'll keep this price so low. Check out the link in the description to start learning today. Now, third, I trade my premier level 5 system. After designing various systems for over 29 years, I finally developed a system in 2022 as a culmination of all my efforts. So here is the Premier Level 5 results for September 2023. Okay, looking at the Premier Level 5, you probably know by now that this is never accurate. When you trade options on futures, you don't get an accurate equity curve from TD Ameritrade or Schwab. So I have to go by the number what it actually is here, the net lick, which is 35,803. That is accurate. And let's do a little bit of math. So last month it was 36,187. So we started with 36,187. And we ended with 35,803, down $384. Divide that 36,187, down about 1.1% for the month. I remember we came down, I think it was last Wednesday, we came down and there was a rule that I needed to get out of one of the trades, and it took a loss. I did have a loss in one of my trades. So of course I had a couple other wins, but you can see I'm basically down just about 1% for the month of September 2023 for the PL5. The Premier Level 5 system is designed to capitalize on all market types. Looking back since I started trading it live, showing my account with 100% transparency on monthly results since April 8th, 2022, the Premier Level 5 is up approximately 19.28%, and this includes paying commissions, and it has had an approximate drawdown of around 3%, while the S&P is only up around 5% with a max drawdown of minus 13.58%. These are based on monthly results. And this is an outperformance of around 15% with only 1/4 the drawdowns. So that is superior risk-adjusted returns. Remember, outperformance isn't just about achieving a higher percentage of returns. It's also about considering the amount of risk you're taking. Any expert in the field will emphasize the importance of risk-adjusted returns. To unlock the secrets of the Premier Level 5 trade system, I offer the Premier Level 5 Masterclass program where I teach every detail until you can trade it on your own. At the moment, this program is not accepting new participants. However, you can subscribe to my email list to receive early notification about when the cart will open up, and this will give you the chance to secure your spot and qualify for learning about the system, as I am limited in the amount of students I can teach. Also, I will be hosting a live information session about an exciting update to my Premier Level 5 trading system. This live event will take place Tuesday, October 3rd. And this is for you if you have at least $30,000 in trading capital and you want to learn the best strategy for beating the S&P 500 and making money in all markets, all while preserving capital and keeping drawdowns extremely low. To claim your spot for this event, head over to www.real-pl.com/event. And there will also be a link in the description of this video. Now, this system requires only a small time commitment of 15 to 30 minutes per week to manage a portfolio. The minimum recommended capital is $30,000, but it could be traded with as little as $15,000. And the trade requires span margin. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your trading game. Again, see a link in the description for that live event. Next, I will get into the fourth account, the Synthetic Dragon. If you've been on my channel since 2019, you've watched me trade this system starting with 110,000 and turn it into 203,000. And I've moved the money into my managed fund, but now I brought it back to trade on my channel. As of April 1st, 2023, I started the account with $200,000. This trade is very similar to the Premier Level 5, but it's a little more conservative. I trade this system with a higher amount of capital. This is where I have a majority of my personal net worth. And this system is for people with the ability to use portfolio margin, which means they should have over $125,000 to invest. And here are the results for the Synthetic Dragon for September 2023. Okay, looking at the Synthetic Dragon for the month of September 2023, you can see we started at 204,492 and had a good month. You could just see the equity curve just rise up. We had a little bit of a blip here. I think that was that one day last week where the market went down. Sometimes you go down with the market, but we always recover. And we ended at 208,966. So it's a nice equity curve for the month. Synthetic Dragon looking good. So we ended with 208,966, and we started with 204,492. So made $4,474. Let's divide that out. Divided by 204,492. Made 2.2%. So up 2.2%. When the market was down 5%, we're up 2. So there you have it for the Synthetic Dragon for the month of September 2023. Managing a portfolio for the Synthetic Dragon requires only a modest time commitment of 15 to 30 minutes a week. The trade demands portfolio margin and a minimum recommended capital of $125,000. I provide visibility into the results of this trade by sharing my P&L. For those with a smaller trading account, I offer two options. The Safe Wheel, which you can follow for free, or if you want the fast track, I do have a course, or the Earnings Edge, which you can get the course or go on to the alerts, which is designed with some risk but high reward. If you're interested in learning how I trade options and aspire to eventually upgrade to the Premier Level 5 system, I recommend enrolling in my 5-step options trading success program. Check the link in the description for more information on the Premier Level 5 live event, the Earnings Edge, the Safe Wheel, and the 5-step program.